Hey everybody, it's Sandra Lett and I'm in my gallery, and I just wanted to say hello and thank you so much for being a subscriber, or just if this is the first time you have landed on my YouTube page, I want to say thank you. Thank you for visiting me, and I hope you'll come watch my videos more often. I am continually trying to add new acrylic pour videos, acrylic pouring with intention. I also do fast speed videos where you get to watch me just paint with traditional acrylics, such as things like this behind me, and I'll just kind of pan around the studio here. This will just show you some pour painting that goes back out into the hallway, and excuse my noisy camera stand, but I'm trying to keep it all level as I go around the studio. And right over here in the corner is my more traditional artwork, as you see there. I even paint on old windows. I love to do stuff like that. So coming on around, I just love to paint. And that's one of the reasons I started my online tutorial classes, was just to help people learn how to paint if they have never painted with acrylics before and would like to learn how to paint from the beginning, from a starter. I love acrylic pouring. I got my table set up over there, as you can see. It's ready for my video that I'll be recording today for YouTube. So what I wanted to say is thank you so much for following me on YouTube, or if you've just started following me, thank you so much. And if you'll click over to my website, which will be, there'll be a little thing right up in the top, maybe on that side, I'm not sure. But I think it will also, I'll make it like one of the first posts below the video. So on my website, I try to do at least once a month. Sometimes it's not so often, but I try to do a drawing for a free giveaway. And this month it is an 8x10, and it is, so it's framed. It's a nice, actually it's a metallic print, so it's got some glossy shine to it. And it was one of my acrylic pours that I did with intention, where I did hydrangeas, and I had it printed and framed. And this is this month's giveaway on my website. So, or if you go and you just go to sandralett.com, and you'll go over to the very left-hand side, and where it says Sandra Lett Artist, there'll be a little down arrow. Just click on the contest, and then it'll go down. You'll scroll down, you'll see a picture of this, and then at the very bottom it will say enter here or click here or something like that, and you can register for a chance in a drawing to win this, which will end in a couple of days. I only have it set up for a few days, and it started yesterday, but I wanted to make sure that you're aware of it and you get a chance for a drawing if you would like to win this pretty print. And you know, you can always hang it, but it's actually set up to where you can put it on a desk or a bookshelf or something like that. So I wanted to share that with you. I also have, this is the bigger one that I did. Whoops, got it upside down. The bigger one I did, it's actually for my best friend. I did it for her. But this was also one that I did recently, and it is offered on my online classes. This is a 14x18, so it's much larger. But this was done with acrylic fluid art with intention. And I did a lot of it with my fingers and some of my bottles, the white mostly, and a few straight objects like a paint scraper and that kind of thing. So if you're wanting to learn something like that, I have that besides my regular acrylic traditional classes that I'm wanting to teach you how to paint from start to finish if you have no experience with acrylic painting. I have over 20 years experience, so I would love to have you jump over to the online classes and see if there's anything you might like to take. I'm adding 2 classes a month, and when you join the class or you purchase the class, you have it for a lifetime. And there's also a monthly, a 6-month, and a yearly subscription. So if you purchase that subscription, you have lifetime access to all those videos that I add twice a month. You can view it in the comfort of your home over and over again. You can have a little paint party at your house, bring over some friends, and you can all learn how to paint. You can have a blast with it. I don't care how you do it, but just I'm wanting to teach people how to learn how to paint. It's from my heart, and I just want you to be able to learn as well. So thank you so much. Don't forget to go register for the free print, and I wish you good luck, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.